Hey guys, I'm Fruki 40 Squad here, and today welcome back to some more Granny Chapter 2! You guys remember in the last video that I escaped Granny Chapter 2 in a helicopter, but here's what we're gonna do. So let's see what happens if we make the helicopter crash. This might be the last video, so if you guys want to see Granny 3, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Okay, I'm gonna do with both. Wait, no, I'm gonna do with Granny. And we're gonna go in easy mode. Alright, here we go. So, go follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. They will be added in the description. Yeah, follow me there. Yeah, like I said, follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and in my and join me in my Discord server. There will be link. You guys got the link in the description. All right. Okay, that's exactly what we needed. Oh, hey, Granny. Okay, come on, Granny. Yeah, that's right, Granny. Okay, let's try again here. Wrench. Oh shoot. Looks like I need to go back. Here we go again. Alright. So I'm gonna be quiet here so I can let you know. Alright, let's do this. Sorry, helicopter manual. We don't need you. Granny, come. Rock smash your grandpa's favorite face. That's right, come here. Security key. That's exactly what I needed. Lower up the volume a little bit. We don't need you. Good. No, nothing. No, we don't need you. Yeah, we don't need you. Not so tough now, Granny, huh? Oh, not so tough, huh, Granny? What are you looking at? Okay, I'm good. Run. Oh, shoot. Be careful. Not so tough, Granny, huh? Anyways, so I'm gonna use it. Oh, shoot. Gotcha. Ha! Just what I expected. So, like I said, follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. Link to them in the description. Oh no. Not so tough, Granny. Try this one. Oh, go away. Oh no. The last painting's over there. Yeah, that's exactly what I need if I make the helicopter crash. What's wrong with you? Good. Now, don't touch it because it might oof you. Wait, where's Granny? I shot her, but now she's gone. Gasoline can. Okay, good. That's exactly what I get the trap out of my sight. Duct tape. Just drop that here. Helicopter key. Okay, so we're like getting closer, plus we're not. Even though I still need a lot of items. Oh, Granny, you came back. Wait, I'm gonna check in here real quick. Ranch. Oh no. What are you looking at? Safe key, huh? Come here, Granny. Cutting pliers. Boom, take that. Oh no. Take this. Not so good, huh, Granny? Okay, just the wrench. Watch, it's not very cold because of the fan. Come on. What are you looking at? Padlock key. Okay. 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 Oh no. But she didn't appear. Huh. Take that. Drop it down here. Grab this last picture of a painting. Boom. I did it. Weapon key, what are you doing here? No, I will not. I will do the stun gun instead. Okay, where did I put the stun gun? Oh yeah, right over there. I will make Granny come. Come here. Alright, come here, Granny. Boop. Not so good. You're not good at this, huh? Okay, boom. I believe that the door handle is here. Boom, door handle. Alright, let's do this. So every time you throw them, it'll return. Good. That's what shot. Oh, that works. Oh, no, I missed. No, I missed. Boom. What? Oh. Well, hey, at least the record did not end it. Boom. I don't need it. So what happens if I... Oh no. That hurts so bad. Oh, there you are. Alright, so we're doing this. Okay, so we're gonna go up here again, back up again. We're gonna go back. Boom, I did it. And the helicopter. Alright, so we need this duct tape. Boom, we got that. Alright, so we're gonna fill it up. Oh, it got thrown out. Oh, it's time to grab it. Alright, so once you found it, just click it. But the helicopter will crash. But you cannot control it. Oh no. Oh shoot. Oh no. Ouch! That hurts. What the hell? How did I even survive? Oops. I just crashed. Oh my gosh, look! The helicopter is on fire! Oh my gosh, how did that even happen? Okay, we did it. Now let's escape through the door. Now, time to escape through the door, man. Okay, boom. Oh no. 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 Come on. And oh! Yay! That's the last video. You're not good at this, Granny. Take that. Haha. Yay. Okay, guys, that was Granny Chapter 2. Yay. We did it. We did it. If you guys want to see, that was it. If you guys want to see Granny 3, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Like I said, follow me on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. Join me in my Discord server. You got the link in the description. Just make sure to subscribe, like the video, and also hit the bell when I am uploading the video. And leave a nice comment down below about this video I made. And if you want to join my Flip Squad, click the subscribe button. And I will see you guys in Granny 3.